Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove text size shortcut to Control Center on iPhone. But first, what you want to do is go to your settings, and if I swipe down here on my Control Center, you would see that there's no text size shortcut right there. So I'm going to show you how to add it. Just scroll down here on the Control Center and tap on it. Once you're here, you will see all of these list of included controls and more controls if you swipe down. And here at the very bottom right, you would see text size above the voice memos, and to add it to the Control Center, you just need to click on that plus button. And once that's there, and if you swipe down to your Control Center again, you would now see the option of the text size shortcut right there. If you want to remove it, you just need to click on the remove button here on the left side, then just click on remove. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.